Chewy, 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 honey kanu kanui, manuki no kirungi, kiruki no kalungi. Extra locks. Kung kaya. Tabang. Glass fuse. Ayun. Stun gun, took my laser. Pop out behind her, then I shot you. To get that granny house. I know I can survive. I just need to peace out, and this is goodbye. Granny house. Crowbar, yay! Ito. Verified. No, somebody was downstairs. I think so. No. But there's gasoline in the next room. I know Grandpa's up downstairs. No. He's not sleeping. Don't worry. Just upstairs. Yeah, no, just make a noise. Wow. Nothing. Helicopter key. That's what we need. Let's see if of course nothing. But I'm too scared. There's Grandpa. Pew! Give that. Thank you. Quickly go upstairs. He's gone. Sa helicopter manual. We don't want that. Oh! Nasa siya ting. Nasa si Pusinya. Pisinit. Bleh! Need to get the crowbar, which is down here. Excuse! Pasaba pa yun. There's a piece of a picture over there. Cutting pliers. We need that. We need to downstairs. That. There's my stun gun. I need to really watch out for grabs. Spark plug. I don't want a spark plug. Let's just get the gun. And we need to be fast because Grandpa will be faster than me. Close the door just in case. Check the cameras. Out here. Not there. I'm too scared to go there because I know I'm so just. How do we know? Wow, both steering wheel. We don't need that. Or we just need to do to kill Grandpa. go there because I thought I will show up. Initulog. Ikaw ay tulog. Get the picture, please. Ibutang natin sa mga taas. Picture, please. Yes. Tulog man dito si Grandpa. Ito ko dito. Need to get the shot. I think you shoot the baby. The picture. Okay, wow. Maybe down here. No, no picture, please. Ito ka ano. Ito ano. Need to find a syringe. Uy! Oh, there's the piece. I'm so stupid. No, no, no. Don't get far away from me. Stay there. Get the shotty, cookies. Where's the shotty? Yes. Close the door just in case. Open. Get some ammo. Check sa good one ko. There we have it. Bisa makalit mo ito ba? Kabalo ako makalit-kalit mo dito si Grandpa. Latot! Bala. Aligo pala ko uban. Tara, pergi. Oh, big shot. Good. Last view. Kay mahulog ko kung di na ko nibutang. Ay, tuwa! Madi akong bala, oh! Tapot din sa gawas, yahos! Patay bala. Di alam na. Lun na po. Ay, ay. Ang kalit. Hindi makaragbi to. Si Grandpa. So, kabalo mo. Di lang ko paragbi yung si Grandpa. So, katago na natin karne. Kabalo ko mga ragbi to. Diya, butang na diya. Get the meat. Siyempre bowl. Yo, to. Let's go. Ayan, take po ulit. Yes, bye-bye. We just need to eat. Sarado. Bala. Dalawa kasi pila. Ayan. Wala, so ilaban yung sunod niya. Perfect siya. Finish, tingnan slow. Sana ulit. Ay, nitulog man di ay to. Biscuit. Panto gadi ay. Log. Panto. Nitulog naman di ay to si Grandpa. Ay, what's good niya? Drop na. Ako na to kung bumul ba. Bumul dyan ay. Grandpa, get your buttocks over here. Boy! Eh, pagkikan na lang. His house, magkiwi-kiwi. Nasa ubos, ilay ako. Wala. Spark plug man dito. Spark plug. Lagi? Yawas. basig. Napasaw sa kuha. Hindi. Gasoline. I'm about to put that in the machine. Gasoline. I'm about to put in the machine. So basig mo kalit lang to si Grandpa. Wala pa yung shotgun. 2 balas. Pantay lang ta kay 2 minutes. Ano to siya mabalik. Sila, just in case. Ay, basig po sila doon na ito. Ang anak makarugby ito. Pasilang ko lang anak makarugby ito. Napanasyon ko. Kaya ito. Bibi! Ali na, Grandpa! Ali! Rugby, bitaw ka? Bisa no? Haming. There you are, mamatay. Ako'y labot sa laya. Di mo libot tayo mga anak. Ikaw sa hinak ka doon. Hinak di ka di akong labot. Makagawas naman ko. Drop! Now go down again. Magawas dito sa helicopter, Bing. Bing na. Day 1, basig ma-feeling ko ba magubang helicopter. Magkatong sa una. Dapat at least magubang Go.